Guys, so today we're going to talk about promises and async await. So basically we get a promise based function and transform into a async await standard. Here we have a call that returns a promise, and this have a then and then, which is resolving a promise and doing something with it, and then we have the catch to handle errors. So let's gonna test this first. So here we have the result of the requests from this API, and then I will run an error here, a typo, and I will make sure this, if I run it, find the error, and this is an error, and then shows the error that we are handling. Let me fix it. We're gonna run it again just to make sure that everything works. So now we will transform this into async await, right? So first thing that we need to do, we need to transform this function into an actual promise. And this async will transform this function as a promise. So instead of return the fetch, I'm gonna comment this then and then and catch, which is promise based, and I'm gonna say that response get this result. So in order to wait for this fetch to finish, because this fetch is a promise, I say await. So this await will wait for this promise to finish and return the result, which is a response. So then from here I will do the same as there, getting the data, which is a response JSON. I will transform the data, and I await because response.json is also a promise, and then I will console the data. Let's execute and see what happens here. It happens the same, right? The only problem here is that we are not handling errors. So the way we need to do to handle errors into async await based functions, we need to call the try, right? And catch. So with that, any error that happens inside of this, it will execute the catch block of code. So basically this try would say, execute this. If something happened wrong, so execute the catch block. And here, if something happened with the request, basically we throw the error. And here we can just console the error. I will do the same we did here. Let's execute with the try catch, see everything works, very good. If we do a typo, we execute this again, and you'll see the error. And also this is an error async, because it's executing this block of code here. Those are the two ways that you can handle functions and promises. I personally prefer to use async await because I think it's simpler to understand and it is easier to see and change things as well. That is for today, and thank you very much.